What's good, everyone? So, yes, let's get into it. I need to go ahead and do my toes. I don't know why I let it get this far, but hey, let's go ahead and take the time out and get to it. You feel me? Before I have to go pick my kids up from school. So, yes, let's do it. Okay, so right now I'm over here opening up my windows, get some light, and cut my TV down, watching Mickey Auntie that damn Tron. Too funny. Okay, so I got my little filer, which I need to go across these nails too, cause why is my nails getting uneven? Like super uneven. They all slanted for real, and I really want to go ahead and apply myself. Cause I came a long way from biting my nails. Like I was that kid that was biting my nails. I could not help it. It was a nerve thing. I was always in my nerves. But anyways, got my little bag, my nail bag, you guys, which been sitting in the closet for a couple of months now. Cause well, it been a couple of months since the last time I did my toes. Cause but really, it's supposed to be out that closet, like really put into effect. Cause I went and did the whole little nail kit thing, thinking I was gonna start doing nails for real. And I feel like if I had more, time in my day, I can really get to it. But my kids keep me going. It's keep me yelling, and I'm not gonna be able to really sit down to put my all focus into it because it really take calm and focus to that. You know what I'm saying? But not really everybody, but just me, just to from the beginning stage. Once I get through the beginning stage, I should be good. But I can't even work on the beginning stage. So right now, I'm in here looking for my drill, which is which is this. And anyway, yeah, because he's zooming out. But this is what I've been using, and it's been working really good so far. I'm not even gonna show y'all the name. Forget them. Stop. They might want to it one day, but anyway, yes, because I'm gonna have to find what's a better drill. Because tell me why I think I got this drill from Walmart, but I'm not sure where I really bought them from. I think it was the little. And what's the name of that little how nail store over here in my city? But either way, this one from Walmart was giving play, giving little girl in the play. You feel me? And it was alright. It was alright for shaving down. You know what I'm saying? A little shave, like a little file, drill for a little file. You know what I'm saying? But a light file, really like nothing where you gotta get into deep detail where you're trying to really like shave some. No, not that drill. But this drill was doing it. I had to put a little pressure to it. You feel me? So this is not even as good as it can be. And don't mind the spots of the dirtiness. You know what I'm saying? It's literally loose in my bag right now with all types of other items that's not really in a, you know, yeah. Okay, so like this. What is this? Girl, what is this? Like, I don't even know for real. Okay, y'all, this was the pack that came when I ordered a part of the nail kit. You know what I'm saying? I ordered different parts of the nail kit. You know, you had to order the nails, you had to all that. So like right now, I still maybe I still have some of this. I got some of that, y'all. Y'all see that? That's some nail stickers and stuff. That right there. Yeah, y'all see that. And this is glue that's been open. Even a little tip thing. I'm supposed to use my little tips, y'all. Why I haven't even tried to do that? Because Lord knows I love my white tips. So that was supposed to help me make the perfect line of white tips. And why I haven't used that and really collected. Let's let you know I haven't put the time and effort. The time. I need patience. I need time. And I ain't got the time right now. It's a lot when you got them churn in your house. So you know what I'm saying? I don't understand. What the heck is this? Can somebody please tell me what is that? This little green thing. I don't know what this little green thing is, what it was for. You know what I'm saying? But my little glitter. I had little glitter. You know what I'm saying? I got all my little items, including the nails, girl. Yes. But yeah, it didn't go as well I thought. But I still gonna keep my items so when I get the time again, I'm gonna perfect that. Okay, I don't know what y'all thought. I'm gonna get it done. It's gonna happen. You understand? It just everything take a little time. That's all. Just a little time. But either way, yeah, my drill. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm doing my drill right now. I got blue, black on my toes, and I think I want to do a red because my hair is red. You feel me? Yeah. So due to I'm doing the red and black, I think that's what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? This is my exercise, and y'all can go check out my exercise videos that I posted a couple months ago. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, go view them. It's good. You can like and comment. But either way, yeah, I think I'm gonna put all my items. All I gotta do is really wipe it off with some hot water. It's gonna be good. That's what, don't even ask why I put that back in the gut all sticky like that. It's gonna be good. All y'all do is soak it in some hot water and some other stuff. I gotta research to find out what's the, see, you gotta take time for that. I gotta research to find out what's the right things to put your items in. The soap to get all that bacteria and sticky gunk stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Take a quick little second research. But while researching, if you ain't got the funds for it right now, I'm gonna wait till all that line itself up. You know what I'm saying? Line itself up. And I got a list of things I would like to do, buy, and get when everything is lined up. You feel me? That's all. Just add it to the junk of the rest of stuff in the closet. Anyways, I was looking for something. I'm looking for something, y'all. I got this because I'm doing my toes. So, got this right here. And, well, let's first show you guys what my toes looking like. Yay, let's do that part. So, okay, let's bring it like this. Because the girl gonna have to turn around. I don't feel like doing that. Okay, well, we gonna do it this way. So, y'all see these toes there? Oh, Lord, don't screenshot nobody. Please don't screenshot. Look what's going on right here. This nail is broke. Let me turn it this way. Ooh, Lord, they looking bad right now. And from this angle. But this nail, bro, it's all off. That's all y'all need to see for real. That's all. You ain't got to see all that for real. Like, I don't know why. I'm showing y'all all the detail. All y'all really need to know is they ain't it right now. You know, it ain't it. And I'm finna give y'all a new vibe. Give myself a new vibe to show the vibe. You feel me? But what I'm working with right now is my drill that I have to hold a certain way for it to work. Okay, now I don't understand why they want to give me all these problems in life. But it's going to be alright. It'll be alright. Here it is. Let me show you what's going on. Ooh, y'all heard that? It's working. It was. Dang. And they be giving me problems when I be right just trying to get to it. I'm like, let me just get it to work. I gotta, keep it on and keep it on the charger. Because when I take it off the charger, it don't work. It's not working. It don't give a good charge due to this have a shortage going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's in there, but it's not in there. As you can see, yeah. So all I do is lean it. You can see where the little ridge is done. Maybe if I can find a way to tighten that up for real. Oh no, it's bent. That's what's going on, y'all. They don't move so slow. So either way, it's been a while since I've seen it, but I knew that last time. That's why I was doing it the way I was doing it. This. So hold it. Y'all find a way to. There it is. So I hold it like this while I do what I gotta do. You feel me? That's what I'm doing. So I guess I'm gonna hold my feet up like this so y'all can see. It's shot. Ooh. I broke it all the freaking way. Trying to show y'all this. Look, I'm fucking mad. Ooh. I think I can still work it. My game just completely cracked. Oh Lord, y'all. I literally I broke my drill, babe. Yeah, that's crazy. I done broke my drill all the way. Uh-oh, I gotta be Mr. Handy Dandy notebook, huh? Something gonna have to give. I just showed y'all what my toes looking like. This, oh Lord, I'm breaking it. Broke. Hold on, I can hold the whistle. You seen I was just holding my oil sheen in the bathroom, babe. I was holding the oil sheen like this Y'all, cause my top on my oil sheen broke. My badass kids done knocked it off the dresser. Knocked my little spray little thing off the top of the oil sheen. So I was trying to hold the little top of it back on because it literally broke off in the inside. I cannot
Oh wow,
stick it back in.
your
Just
whole
like
drill just went out. Yeah, cause this whole cord.
Don't know. We can make it work.
I twisted it out, so.
Shit. God damn. It ain't happened so many times I can bend it anyways. Yeah, I was doing it. I did my toes like 4 times with using it like this or whatever. Dang, babe, we gotta find a way. Oh Lord, we gotta find a way. This got me distraught now. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to. Ooh, Jesus. Okay, there it is. I'm done. This damn drill is trash. Let's try the other drill. Where I seen the other drill at, y'all. Okay, let's try this one. And this shit trash, but I'm gonna show y'all. But now it's gonna have to be my best friend, for real. I done talk shit about the hoe. And now this gotta be my best friend, because the other hoe done broke on me. Do y'all hear that? It's a way different ass. You can't even see, like, bro, okay. So let me just give y'all